Hi everyone, welcome to Proper Lush Food. What I want to do is just quickly show you around my veg patch, what we've been growing, what we're trying to grow, just a quick look around. Okay, so welcome to my veg patch. Since the lockdown we've been busy growing everything from seed. Got some beautiful radishes that we're just trying to grow out at the moment. I had a few of them. Got some lettuce leaves growing. Lovely. Some rocket there, some proper rocket here. Got some white radishes just there, just growing. These beasts here, these artichoke plants, grew them from seed last year, so it's probably about 18 months old they are. So really fingers crossed that something happens to them, we get some fruit. Got a couple of leeks, more lettuce. As you can tell, we like our lettuce. Just down here, kohlrabi. Just down here, we've got some lovely spinach. Can't get enough of spinach, absolutely love it. But what I love most is beetroot. So the sooner these grow, the better, because I've got rows and rows of beetroot, all dotted about the normal garden. Brussels sprouts, another one, absolutely love. Now on this patch here, got a bit of a mixture of everything. Running out of space I was, so you know, we put a bit of everything in there. We've got some garlic growing, beautiful looking garlic. Some more kohlrabi. Got some onions that were left over from another part of the patch. And then the next bit we got is leeks. Got a nice row of leeks there, all coming on. Absolutely fantastic. Love leeks. Use so much of a leek. Then we're back on the old onions. Nice row of onions here. Not that you can tell at the moment, they are very, very small at the moment. And fingers crossed they'll grow a bit bigger soon. Got some pea shoots there. I'm not using them for peas. I've got another section where I've got peas growing, so they're literally just for salads. Got some more radishes just there. Then got some cabbages going to grow here at some point, hopefully, fingers crossed. They are starting to come out. Over there we have got some purple broccoli, got some cauliflower, and we've got Snail on the brick waiting to go and have a bit of a munch, so I'll be moving him shortly. Then we've got some normal broccoli just down here, along with some more radish, sweet corn, more kohlrabi, courgette plants there. Got some beautiful fennel just down here. And then obviously we've got the greenhouse, which has got all the tomatoes in. So that was just a quick whistle stop tour of my my little veg patch.